Welcome dear students to a new math session. In this session we'll be talking about subtraction of rational numbers. The subtraction operation a over b minus c over d is an addition operation of the minuend a over b with the additive inverse of the subtrahend a over b. For example, when I say a over b minus c over d, it's the same as a over b plus negative c over d. Example, minus 3 over 7 minus 2 over 7. It's the same as minus 3 over 7 plus negative 2 over 7. So when you do it, it's minus 5 over 7. Let's now go and see the subtracting of rational numbers by using the number line. Negative 2 over 3 minus 5 over 3. Here's the number line. You go at the negative 2 over 3, and then the result will be negative 7 over 3. Let's see exercise number 1. Find the result of each of the following in the simplest form. 1 over 5 minus 2 over 3. In order for you to be able adding or subtracting fractions or rational numbers, the denominators must be the same. So we'll multiply this denominator by 3. So we'll multiply this fraction by 3 up and down. I will multiply this by 5 up and down. Why did I choose the 5? Because it's this denominator. Why did I choose the 3? Because it's the other denominator. So it will be 3 over 15 minus 10 over 15. So the result is minus 7 over 15. In example B, what is the LCM of both denominators? I can easily reach the 15 by multiplying here up and down by 3. So it's minus 6 over 15 minus 3 over 15. So it's negative 9 over 15. As long as the question is asking me to get it in the simplest form, we'll divide up and down by 3. So the final answer will be negative 3 over 5. Question C, 3 over 7 minus negative 2 over 5. And this one is exactly the same as 3 over 7 plus 2 over 5. Let's get the common denominator by multiplying here up and down by 5 and multiplying here up and down by the other denominator, which is 7. Then it will be 15 over 35 plus 14 over 35. The result is 29 over 35. We don't change the denominators. Question D, 19 over 10 plus negative, which is minus 39 over 100. To get the same denominator, we'll multiply this up and down by 10. So it will be 190 over 100 minus 39 over 100. The result is 151 over 100, and this is its simplest form. Question E, what will you do if you have a mixed number? Yes, excellent. We change this mixed number into a fraction. So in this one, it will be 46 over 5 minus 38 over 5. So it is 8 over 5. If you want to put it as a mixed number, you check the 8 has how many 5s? It's 1, and the remainder is 3. Question F, 50% minus 1 over 4. 50% is what? Excellent. I can hear it from here. You guys are saying that 50% is half. So half minus quarter, you multiply this by 2 up and down. It's 2 over 4 minus 1 over 4, which is 1 over 4. Okay, or you can actually do it logically as half minus quarter is a quarter. Exercise number 2, choose the correct answer. 3 over 4 plus 50%. As we said, 50% is half, so it's 3 over 4 plus 1 over 2. Multiply here up and down by 2. It is 3 over 4 plus 2 over 4. Then the final result is 5 over 4. So the answer of question 1 is choice C. Question 2, subtracting 1/5 from 6 over 5. So it will be 6 over 5 minus 1 over 5. If you do the numerators together, so it's 5 over 5 in the denominator, so the answer is 1. So the right answer for question 2 is choice A. Question 3, subtracting 1/3 from negative 4 over 3. So here, the negative 4 over 3 minus 1 over 3. So it is negative 5 over 3. So the right answer is choice C. Question 4, subtracting 1 over 7 from 0. So it's 0 minus 1 over 7. Obviously, it's negative 1 over 7. You guys are excellent. So the right answer is C. Last question in the multiple choice. Subtracting negative 3 over 2 from 0. So it's 0 minus negative 3 over 2. Negative and negative will be positive. So this means it's 0 plus 3 over 2, which is for sure 3 over 2. Another type of question in exercise 3, we have the three values of x. X is 2/3, y is negative half, and z is 1 over 6. The question wants us to find in the simplest form the numerical value of each of the following. Y plus z. What's y? The y is negative half plus the z, which is 1 over 6. You need to make them having the same denominators. So it will be negative 3 over 6 plus 1 over 6 is negative 2 over 6. If you simplify it more, divided by 2, it's negative 1 over 3. Question 2, x minus y. So it's 2/3 minus negative half. Then the result is minus z, which is 1 over 6. So this is 2/3 plus half minus 1 over 6. We multiply here by 2 up and down, and we multiply here by 3 up and down. So this is 4 over 6 plus 3 over 6 plus minus the 1 over 6. So this is 7 over 6 minus 1 over 6, which is 6 over 6. That is equal to 1. And now, dear students, we reached the evaluation part. Please, when you see the questions, pause the video, try to answer the questions yourself. After that, play the video again and check your answers. If you have a mixed number, I recommend that you change it into a fraction. So the 3 over 4 will be 7 over 4. The minus will be plus, and the 2.5 is 5 over 2. We multiply here by 2 up and down to get the same denominator. So it will be 7 over 4 plus 10 over 4. The answer is 17 over 4. If you want to write it as a mixed number, 17 has 4 4s and the remainder is 1. So it's 1 over 4. Question B. Negative 10, 7 over 8 minus negative 4, 5 over 8. I recommend that you guys change this into a fraction. Will be negative 87 over 8 plus 37 over 8. To simplify this, negative 87 plus 37, that's 50 over 8. If you want this in the simplest form, you divide both by 2. So it's 25 over 4. Again, from where did we get this? We divide here by 2 and here also by 2. If you want to put this as a mixed number, the 25 has 6 fours, and then the remainder is 1. Question C, 0 minus minus is plus, 17 over 4, so it is for sure 17 over 4. As we did in question A, the 17 over 4 is 1 over 4. Question D, 6 2/3 is 20 over 3 minus 3 and 1 over 6 is 19 over 6. To get the common denominator, we multiply here up and down by 2. So it's 40 over 6 minus 19 over 6. So the answer is 21 over 6. To get it in the simplest form, we divide by 3, divide by 3. So it is 7 over 2. If you want to get as a mixed number, it is 3 and 1 over 2. For question E, negative 3 over 5 minus 9 over 5, that's very simple. It's negative 12 over 5. To write it as a mixed number, it's negative 2, and then the remainder is 2 over 5. Question F, you can here multiply this by 8 up and down. So it's negative 2, 8 over 16 minus 12, 1 over 16. So negative 2 minus 12 is negative 14, and then this one is 9 over 16. Dear students, we came to the end of our session. Thank you and wishing you best of luck.